In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment in Mailchimp, whether it's a PDF, a Google Doc, or a Microsoft Excel file. This is incredibly useful for when you want to share more detailed documents with your subscribers without cluttering up the main body of your email. So, let's dive into the steps together. First things first, navigate your way to your Mailchimp dashboard. Once there, the next thing you'll want to do is find and click on the Content section. This is where we'll manage all the files and various media that you may want to attach or use in your campaigns. Clicking on Content will bring you to the next part of the process, which involves uploading your desired file. Once you're in the Content section, look for the Upload button. This is usually showcased prominently to make it easy for you to add new content. Go ahead and click on Upload. When you do so, a small window will pop up, prompting you to select the file you want to upload to your Mailchimp account. This can be any document you wish to attach to your campaign, like a PDF, a Google Doc, or a Microsoft Excel file. After you've successfully selected and uploaded your file, it's time to integrate it into your email or campaign. Go to the editor where you have your email or campaign content. Here you're going to need to do a couple of things to make sure your file is accessible to your subscribers. Within your email editor, highlight the text you want to use as a clickable link. A common example might be something like download the PDF. Once you've highlighted your text, use the link option available in the toolbar. This feature is often represented by a chain link icon, so it's pretty easy to spot. Click it, and a field will appear where you can paste the URL of the file you just uploaded. This links your text directly to your document, making it easily downloadable for your readers. It's worth noting that when subscribers receive your email and click on the highlighted text, or even a button if that's your preference, they'll be able to instantly download the file you linked. This is a fantastic way to keep the main message of your email clean and concise while still offering additional resources to those who are interested. Lastly, as with anything you do in Mailchimp, remember to hit the Save button before you exit. This ensures that all your changes are preserved and your file link is functioning exactly as intended. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to add attachments to your Mailchimp campaigns. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now ready to enhance your emails with extra downloadable content. Happy emailing!